As an educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado, I visit over a dozen schools every week. This gives me a unique perspective as to the everyday trials and triumphs of the teachers in those schools. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company. Come with me as I show you the view from the road. Well, greetings and welcome to the View from the Road. It's been a slightly overcast day. I know I always talk about the weather, but things are warming up and it's a great day to be out here in the Thompson School District. There's a lot going on today. Just a plethora of things. The big one is the repairs. Since the repair allocation has come through, we're madly scrambling to get all the instruments in because we need to get them done here before the end of school. And I'm pretty confident that we can do it, and I'm excited to be doing it because this is a topic that I've talked about quite a bit, which is it's easier to keep up than catch up, meaning that we need to maintain these instruments, the school instruments, and keep them in good working order so we can keep them in the hands of kids, but also then they won't need to be replaced. I know that instruments have a useful life cycle, but we can really extend that by keeping up with the maintenance of them and keeping them in great shape. So it's awesome to see that there's a commitment to keeping the instruments in working order and the ability for us to do that and to help with that. So that's awesome. Excited to do it. If you've got instruments at your school that we need to come pick up, let me know if I haven't done that already, because we're stacking them up and we're going to get this going here rapidly. The other thing that's going on is the old Chinese curse, may you live in interesting times. Well, there are definitely some interesting times if you're a professional music educator. There's a lot of jobs that have opened up and people that have shifted around. There's a lot of new schools that are open, and the people who are taking those jobs have now created openings at their former schools, and it's a great time to be graduating with a degree in music ed. There's elementary jobs, there's middle school, high school, band, choir, some orchestra, not just in Loveland, but also Fort Collins, Greeley. I mean, there's an amazing amount of opportunity out there. So if you're in the market to have a job next year as a music educator, look into that. I'm sure you've already seen them, but if you haven't, contact us. We'll tell you what those jobs are all about. And then the last thing that's going on next week, it's the Greeley Jazz Festival. This is an event that was last held in 2019, and super excited to be a part of that. We set up our booth there, and we've got items for purchase, and it's a chance to just get out there and see you all. I mean, there's going to be lots of ensembles out there from middle school, high school, professional, you name it. And of course, there'll be the featured artists in the evening. So we're really excited to be back out in Greeley at the new facility. I mean, it was new last time we were there, but things are finally opening up again, and we can be back out there doing it. So it's been too long. Definitely looking forward to doing that and being a part of that. So that's your view from the road. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch up with you next time. Thank you for riding along and seeing the view from the road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.